Extreme.
So we got a package. 1 second. Technical difficulties. YouTube family, what is going on once again, man? Hope everybody is feeling great and good spirits, man. It is your boy Jaythesneakerguy coming back at y'all live from the quarantine, man. Hey man, hope everybody is chilling out, enjoying family time, and you know they're doing things that they need to do around their house, or you know they just, and you know, getting that chemistry and stuff right with the fam, man. You know, this is actually a good and a bad thing. Bad that of course we can't go out and live our regular, you know, regular day lives, man. And it's good because we do get to spend times with our families and stuff. But hope everybody is feeling good, man. Nobody's sick out there, man. Y'all go ahead and slap that like button if you are in good spirits, if y'all are feeling good. No fever, no nothing, man. That's a blessing, man. Go ahead, hit that like button. Let me know that y'all are all in good spirits. But yeah, man, today we got an unboxing. And this was from GOAT. This was a shoe that I did have previously. I made a video for a review, so this won't be a review. It'll be just a quick, you know, go over and on feet of it. And yeah, these shoes, they kind of grew on me. I ain't gonna hold you. You know, when they first dropped, I could have got them for low, but I was sleeping on them. So, you know, time went on and they went up by about $40, $50, $60 maybe. So it still wasn't too much over retail, but it would have been cheaper for me to get it, you know, a little bit back when they first dropped. But let's go ahead and get into this unboxing, y'all. As I said, GOAT got a package, man. And as y'all seen from the intro, man, look, I ain't playing with this stuff. So make sure y'all getting any packages right now, man. Y'all make sure y'all Lysol them down. Make sure y'all don't touch nothing. Hey, make sure y'all spray it down. But yeah, man, let's go ahead and check these things out. As I said, man, they grew on me. I seen them on feet, and that's what it is, man. I be seeing these shoes on feet, and I'm like, dang, man. But yeah, man, y'all already see the packaging. And I'm gonna actually probably skip past this part because y'all seen this part during the intro. So we gonna have to do what we gotta do real quick, and we'll get back up. Bam! While I take the time to disinfect those shoes, what y'all seen in the intro, let me tell you guys about something that me and a couple of the homies got planned for you all, man. We do have a giveaway that starts immediately right now, man. Me and the homie, he got Kicks, as well as the homie Just for Kicks. We will be giving away a free, 100% free pair of early unreleased shoes. We have an idea of what shoes that they will be, but we'll announce it to you guys pretty much and show you guys that probably Monday, this upcoming Monday. But the entries will last from Wednesday, today, up until next Wednesday. My dates is all crazy, so I'm not gonna say the dates, but just know it's 1 week. And pretty much the way that you enter is you must be subscribed to all 3 of our channels, as well as following all 3 of us on IG. And make sure that your IG profile is public so that we can see that you're following, you know, all 3 of us. But that's it. Very simple rules. You have to be following all 3 of us on both of those social media platforms. And when you're done doing that, head over to the homie He Got Kicks channel, and under his Air Jordan 1 low pine green video, comment done. And then from there, we'll go ahead and do our research, make sure that you're entered in, and yes sir, it'll be on from there. But simple steps, that's how we'll do that. And you'll get you a free pair of unreleased shoes. You will get them before they release in the store, so just don't sleep, but yeah man, eat it up. And let's get back to this video. Bang! There we have it, y'all. We got the Air Jordan 1 Mid Blue the Great. As I said, man, this was a shoe I slept on. I had it in hand. It wasn't my size. I got rid of it. I could have got my size with what I sold it for, but I was like, nah, I'm good on them. But little did I know, my decision would come back and haunt me. But got them here. Not gonna go into a review, nothing. Yada same old. Y'all done seen these before. Several reviews out on these. Actually, you can check out my review. I will link it down in the description box. But yeah, man, dope shoes. I had to have them. So got them in. Make sure y'all are Lysol down y'all shoes, man. Make sure y'all are staying cleansed out there, washing y'all hand, and you know, all y'all safety normal things that y'all are supposed to be doing on an everyday basis. But yeah, man, we're gonna get into an on feet of these. I'm gonna show y'all how they look, and that'll be it, man. Thank y'all for watching another video, and y'all stay blessed until my next one. Your boy Jaythesneakerguy is checking out with the Air Jordan 1 Mid. Bang bang. Blue the Greats, man. So till my next one, y'all, I'm gone. Peace.
Roy on the train.